Matt, growth rate cycle. What is it? Why is it important? And how does it relate to other metrics?
Yeah, so growth rate cycle, again, is one of the metrics that we have on HTAG. I call it a GRC. Now, GRC essentially represents the changes in the rate of growth in a particular suburb. This is a suburb page on HTAG. So this is the growth rate cycle. Essentially, it's how much the growth has changed, or the rate of growth has changed across different timeframes. So we see we're going back to 2009. We see the area stagnating and then experiencing a lot of growth. Now, you can interpret this curve in many different ways, and it depends on your investment strategy. What we develop from growth rate cycle, we develop GRC Index and GRC Minima. GRC Index is essentially how many months the area has spent in the positive growth zone, so above the red line, which is zero growth. GRC Minima is what was the lowest point of growth for that suburb in the past, and we see that for this suburb it was minus 1.25%. Okay, so when I hover over here, you see minus 1.25%. And when you combine the two metrics and you look at the graph, you can actually determine the area's historical stability when it comes to price movements. In a nutshell, it represents the rate of change in growth across different timeframes or years.